is a 4-point roll. Important to fly it swift with a clear stop at 90 degrees. Flying aerobatic with 2 hands on the stick helps to make the correct light path. Cuban 8, half loop, half roll. Now you can see me doing the barrel roll. This is a combination between a roll and a loop. Important is to have on top of the loop a 90-degree direction change on the flight path. At the end of the barrel roll, I fly again in the same starting direction. This is a 4-point roll. Important to fly it swift with a clear stop at 90 degrees. This is a slow roll. The loop, check the wind for a good round circle. The hammerhead or wing over, try to get the speed on top almost 0. Deflect full roll to the right to compensate the full rudder left. Upright roll. With on 180 horses, speed is quickly almost 0. It is no an extra with endless vertical rolls. Doesn't matter. Still fun. Just a roll. Keeping it level is the challenge. An avalanche. Roll on top of the loop. Avalanche. Roll on top of the loop. The AcroSport 2 is not a fast rolling machine. It is not in pits nor an extra. Multiple rolls. Do not get disorientated. rolling circle. Full combination of aileron, rudder and elevator. Final for landing. Side slipping to find the runway. A small bouncing. A landing gear with springs, with a tail dragger airplane, is always a challenge, but still fun. See you next time. Please like and ring the bell on YouTube.